Once again I am back. New and latest idea. Project baby frocks with flower embellishment. Is a charming and adorable style designs. To start, you will need a crochet pattern for a baby frock that includes instruction for editing flowers. There are many patterns available online, some free and some for uh, different beautiful styles look. So once you have your pattern, gather your material including your spread colors, crochet hooks, and any additional embellishment like buttons or ribbons. Follow the pattern instruction carefully, and when you reach the part for editing flowers, you can crochet them separately and or attach them to the frocks using yarn or a tapestry needle. You can customize the size, color, and number of flowers to suit your preference. Enjoy crafting your beautiful frocks. And customize as this red. You can add personal touches to the dress, such as lassing, ribbons, or coated flowers. So I hope you like it, my video and my channel. So take care and bye bye, see you soon.